Hey girls and boys, it's Mr. McAndrew, the math coach, with you again. Super excited because why? Because we're doing math and I'm the math coach. I wanted to go over a few of the problems from yesterday to see how you did. So for this one we have an area model. So please take out your packet, okay, and check and see how you did. If you made any mistakes, I want you to correct them as I go, okay? This is an area model, right? We have 5 rows of 3 squares, okay, for a total of 15 squares. So let's look, 5 plus 3. Does that represent what's going on here? Do you see 5 and 3 of something? Well, I see 3 going this way and 5 going this way. But that's not really telling us anything, is it? So I'm going to cross that one off. Now this one says 15 divided by 3. So we do have 15, and the entire model is broken up, you could argue, into rows of 3, right? There's a row here of 3, 3, 3, 3, and 3. So 15 divided by 3 does work as an expression of representing this model, okay? 5 times 3, 5 rows of 3 right there. How about this one? 5 divided by 15. So when you divide something, you break it up into equal pieces, right? So if I took 5 squares and I divide them into 15 equal pieces, they're actually going to be really small. They're going to be like, let's see, 3, 6, 9, 12. They're going to be even like that would be one of them right there. So that's, boys and girls, that's later when you get into like 4th grade and you're doing fractions and division. So no, 5 divided, this does not show 5 divided by 15. Okay? So that does not work. How about this one down here? We have 4 sets of 6 stars. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, so 24 divided into 4 equal groups? Absolutely. Do we have 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4? I don't see that. I see 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6, but not 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4. 4 groups of 6, definitely. 1, 2, 3, 4 groups of 6. Do we have 6 groups of 4? No, we don't. We have 4 groups of 6. 6 groups of 4 might look something like, let's see, am I doing that right? Yeah. So there's 6 groups of 4. You've got 6 groups, and you've got 4 in each. That still gives you 24. But that expression doesn't represent this model, okay? So I'm going to cross that one off. All right? And on the next page, we had some number lines, which are always very exciting. So the first one says 5 groups of 2. Well, we have 2 hops of 5, but we don't have 5 hops of 2. So I'm going to say again, that one does not work. 5 times 2 does equal 10. Okay, but it's not going to give you, it's not going to express it the right way. But look at this, 2 times 5, 2 groups of 5, that does work. Because you have 2 hops of 5. And you always read it as 2, the first number says 2 groups of 5. Okay? All right, I'm going to keep, I'll finish these up. So, sorry boys and girls about that. So let's take a look. Now we also have 10 divided by 5 and 10 divided by 2. So we do have a total of 10. And you could think of this as being broken up into 2 equal jumps or hops, right? So this one works, definitely. What about this one, 10 divided by 5? Well, you could think of it as 10 divided into equal groups of 5. And how many groups are there? Well, if we do groups of 5, we end up with 2 groups. So if I finish this equation, if I finish it, it would be 10 divided by 5 equals 2, and 10 divided by 2 equals 5, which means 10 divided into 2 equal groups gives us 5 in each group. Or 10 divided into groups that have 5 in it gives you 2 equal groups. Okay, so those both work. So all of them work except for the first one, because we don't have 5 groups of 2. We have 2 groups of 5. Okay, same here. We have 3 groups of 7. Okay. We also have a total of 21, right? And it's divided into 3 equal groups, so that works right here. 21 divided by 3. The other ones do not work. We are taking, right now, we are taking the total and dividing it into equal groups, and that's not what happened here. Okay, and then lastly, we have this array, and we have we have 1, 2, 3, 4, we have 5 rows, and there's 1, 2, 3, 4 in each row. So I can see right here, 5 rows of 4 would be 5 times 4. We also have, let's just look at part A. We have 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4. Yeah, so we have 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4. So that works. All right, how about 20 divided by 5? Well, we have a total of 20, and they are divided into 5 equal rows. So yes, that does work, right? That one definitely works. How about 5 divided by 4? Did we take 5 of these circles and divide them into 4 equal groups? No. We took 20 of them and divided it into 5 equal groups. So that one does not work. Okay? So if that was difficult for you, I understand, but hopefully this review will help. Okay? There is another video for what to do today. That was just a review of yesterday. So please watch that, and I'll see you very soon. All right, bye-bye.